What we found is smoothies are a way that we can get all people, even people addicted to fast food, to add what they're missing.
Is it okay then to juice or to make smoothies instead of eating them? Like, what do you find a difference?
Absolutely. So yes to smoothies, not to the juices. You know, juice is really a processed food. You are taking the liquid, you're squeezing out the liquid and you're throwing away the rest, right?
Okay.
No, it doesn't cause inflammation like the processed foods you buy in the store. So if somebody wants to have a vegetable juice, that's fine. I don't mark them off. It doesn't count towards the food they have to eat that day.
Okay.
I want them to eat whole vegetables, but I use smoothies a lot. Actually, we have a website, smoothieshred.com. We teach the Smoothie Solution because it turns out people who've never liked vegetables, never eaten vegetables, have a hard time suddenly eating like a pound and a half of greens a day, and they just aren't interested. So what we found is smoothies are a way that we can get all people, even people addicted to fast food, to add what they're missing. I would rather people start adding what they're missing, and I find that people still start getting benefits when they add what they're missing. So I'll say, fine, you're addicted to your junk food. Let's make a green smoothie. Let's fill it up with the dark leafy vegetables, kale and spinach, stuff like that. Add a handful of flaxseed chia, add in that little bit of fruit to make it taste good. I call it the spoonful of sugar to make the medicine go down, put water in it. And now if you just drink that blender by the end of the day, eat your food, drink, then by the end of the day, you have now nourished yourself with the vegetables, water, omega-3s. And even if you're still eating other crap, you're getting some benefit. Plus you'll tend to eat less of that. We call it crowding out.
Right.
So smoothies are fantastic. Most people adore them because it tastes like fruit and it's easy to get in. And it also creates glorious bowel movements. And many people suffer from constipation and it's very nice to be able, I mean, there's smiles that I see on people's faces who have their first good bowel movements.
That is amazing. Well, it's interesting what makes people happy. I mean, obviously, I guess a good bowel movement does the trick.
It does it for everybody. There's nobody I've ever met who's not happy about a good bowel movement.